We'll guide you through how to use Audacity to record and edit. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Audacity. So Audacity is a great application for recording and editing audio. So we're going to guide you through the steps. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, just go and open up Audacity, as I already have done here. We've just got a blank project. Now, what we want to do is make sure we've got the correct mic selected. So what you can do is come to the top and find audio setup and click there. Then hover over recording device and select your mic. So I've got mine selected here. After you've got the mic selected, what you can then do is we can go and get ready to go and record. So to go and start recording, we need to find the red recording button just here. So what you need to do to go and start recording is click there. Now, when I go and speak, you can go and see we're recording, and you can go and see that it's going to go and show you sort of the different levels here as well. So when you're then finished, you can press stop at the top like that, and you've now finished recording. If you find these spikes are way too high, you may want to come and lower the recording level at the top here. I've done that as I don't like it being too loud and it sort of starts clipping the audio as such. And of course, if you want to increase it, you can drag this up as well. Click, hold, and drag it. So now what you can do is we can go and start editing this. So let's say you wanted to go and remove a part. You make sure you've got the cursor selected at the top here, selection tool, press F1, and you can click, hold, and drag a part you want to go and delete. So I've now selected that there, and then you can press backspace on your keyboard, and it'll then go and remove that part there. As you can see, you can do it at the start as well. So go and remove the parts you don't want. And then when you're ready and you've got to remove those parts and you've edited it, you could do the end part as well. To go and then save it, press File in the top left, hover over Export. If you use Save Project, it will save it as an Audacity file, which you can do. You can then open it up and continue editing it. But to get it as a sound file, hover over Export, and you could press Export as MP3 or WAV. They're sort of my go-to formats. I'll do MP3. And then you can choose where you want to go and save it. I'll put it on my desktop here. I could go and do this example audio. We can then go and press save. You go and get this metadata, which you can complete, but you don't have to, and press OK. And there it is there. It's now saved.